Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Blueprints video tutorials series. From the past few video tutorials, we are trying to understand variables and operators in Unreal Blueprints. In the previous videos, we are understanding arithmetic operators in Unreal Blueprints. Just to make you understand how do we use variables and operators together, I explained how to design a blueprint to add two numbers in Unreal. Then I explained how to construct a blueprint to find area of circle in Unreal. In this video, I would like to discuss how to manage player score in Unreal Blueprint. By the end of this video, you get to know how do we use variables and operators in real game, guys. From the game point of view, I am explaining how to manage player score in Unreal Blueprint. Let's get started. I double click on Unreal Engine icon available at the desktop. Under project categories, I select games. Under project templates, I select third person. And then I give the project name here, third person game. I say create. You can see third person game project is open. I'm going to create a new level and save. I say file, say new level. I select here basic and say create. And then I say file, save current level as. I right click here and say new folder. Name it levels, and then I give the level name level 1, and then I say save. I'm going to bring player start. If I click on the play button, you see we have a third person character added. We can move around, right? And then I want some coins here. Okay, I want some coins which the player is going to collect, and then the score increases. So what I do here, I go to content browser, create one new folder, call it as blueprints, and in the blueprints folder I create a new blueprint class. I select the parent class actor because an actor is an object that can be placed in the world, guys. So I select actor and give name bp underscore coin. I open bp underscore coin. You can see that bp underscore coin is open. I say add. I'm going to add cylinder. I add a cylinder here, and then I'm going to rotate it around x-axis by 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, and then I scale down so that it looks like a coin. So you can see it is looking like a coin. And then I go to details panel, go to the collision section, collision presets. I set overlap all dynamic. Overlap all dynamic. We know that our player is a dynamic actor. So when the player overlaps with this cylinder, okay, it should generate overlap events. So generate overlap event should be tick, guys. Compile and save. That's it. Now we can create n number of coins in the scene. So I can just drag bp underscore coin to create the coin or instances. Okay. So I say r drag to duplicate, r drag to duplicate, r drag to duplicate, r drag to duplicate. So we have created the coins which our player is going to collect, guys. Now whenever the player touches any coin, what should happen? Score value should be incremented as well as that coin should get destroyed, right? So we go to our third person character. So in the third person folder, we have blueprints folder, open that. In that we have bp underscore third person character. So it is our player. I open it. In the bp underscore third person character, I create a variable to manage score. So I say plus and I give the name score, hit enter. And initially score value will be 0. It is an integer type. So I change the variable type to integer and compile. You see, initially score is set to 0. Default value is 0. Now, whenever the capsule component of our player overlaps with bp underscore coin, the score value should get increment. So I select the bp third person characters capsule component, right? It is for collision handling purpose. I right click here. I say add event for capsule component. Open the collision. Add on component begin overlap. On component begin overlap. So when the capsule component overlaps with other actor, we should check here whether the other actor is bp underscore coin, because if and only if it is bp coin, then we increase the score, right? Increment the score. So I drag a wire from here and search for cast to BP underscore coin. So what we are telling here, if the other actor, if and only if the other actor is BP underscore coin, okay, then we have to set the score. We have to set score. What should be the score, guys? What should be the score? Score should be the current value of the score, get the score, get current score, add 1 to it. So we'll search for add operator. I connect the pin here. Let's say the coin value is 1. So here we give 1. And result we set to score. Get the current value of score. At present, let's say if it touches to the first coin instance, score value is 0, right? 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is going to be the new score. If it touches to the second coin, then score value is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is going to be the new score. Like that, it increments the score, guys. We can display that score if we want. So you can right click here and search for print string node. Print string node. Okay. And then we can get the current score and display. Okay. Next, after displaying the score, I want to destroy that instance of BP coin. Okay. So just drag a wire from here and search for destroy actor and select. Very simple, guys. This is an implementation of how do we manage score in game. Very simple. When the capsule component, okay, when the capsule component overlaps with BP coin, we are incrementing the score, displaying the current score and destroying that coin. Very simple. Okay. Let's say compile and save. Now we go to level 1 and let's see in the output log window the score value getting displayed. So I say play. Now I go forward. You see in the output log window it has displayed 1 and 1 coin is destroyed. You see that? I go forward. 1 more coin destroyed. Now score is 2, 3, 4, 5. I press the escape key to come out. Right. Now I go here to filters, categories, untick show all, show log blueprint user messages only. You can see it is displaying here the current value of score. And I say clear on plane editor. I can create few more coins here by alt dragging. Very simple. I have created some coins. You see that? Now if I want, I can display here score colon 1 like that also. Let's go to BP underscore third person character. Here I'm going to use a append node, APPEND, append, a string node. So here I can display score colon, and then I am going to give this output here. Okay. And the return value of append, I give it to print string. So now it displays score colon 1, score colon 2 like that. Okay, compile and save. If I come to level 1 and play, now you see in the output log window score getting incremented. So you can see score is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Like that we use the variables and operators in Unreal Blueprint, guys. So the main intention of this session is explaining you how do we create variables, okay, how do we use variables and operators together in our Unreal Blueprints, guys. That's it, guys, for this video tutorial. I suggest you people to try this yourself. In the upcoming video tutorials we discuss more about Unreal Blueprints. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.